Hi everyone, in this episode I'm in Bitola, a city in North Macedonia in the southwest part of the country, between kind of Ohrid in the west and Greece in the south. So this is the second largest city in the country. It's not grandiose like Skopje with all the statues, it doesn't have all the tourist destinations and lake that Ohrid does, and it's a pretty quaint place, really walkable and no tourists. It has a really nice pedestrianized main street as well as an ancient city that you should check out, but not really that big of big ticket items. It has a train to Thessaloniki in Greece, and you can take the bus to Skopje 3 hours or Ohrid 1.5 hours. I couldn't read the bus timetable, so the guy wrote it on a piece of toilet paper. Very nice of him. He said tomorrow 9 a.m. So it's 9 a.m. to Ohrid. It takes 1.5 hours, and then 2 p.m. the other way. And then to Skopje and back, it's 3 hours one way, and they leave every 2 hours. The last one's at 9 p.m. The buses actually leave on time, and it costs 600 dinars to Skopje one way. This is the main square with the Bitola sign and the clock tower. This is a not-so-great clock tower in the residential area, but you should definitely check out this ancient city called Heraclea. It was 4th century BC and founded by Philip of Macedon. I've never been to a Macedonian city, so this is cool. It's kind of like any other Roman city with the houses, the baths, the amphitheatre, and the mosaics, and of course columns. It's under $2 entrance. It's $1.20, and I didn't have a 20, so he just let me in for 100. It's Balkans. The best part, no people, just some dogs. Compare that to Pompeii. I actually really like these garbage cans, and it's been well restored by the US and the EU. Okay, so the ancient city was nice, but this is maybe the best part of the day still. It's the simple things in life, you know? So because it doesn't have any tourists, people rent out their apartments, and they're very nice and very affordable. This was $30, called Emma Apartments, with a balcony. It had a most comfortable bed, great bathroom, and great shower. Excellent kitchen, and very fast internet. Super nice host too, and really close to the bus station, 10 minutes, and 5 minutes to the walking street. The walking street is really nice because it's lined with these great cafes where it's nice to get a drink and really cheap. And also there's a lot of shops like a fake Zara you'll see later, and really good prices. The food options were kind of limited. The cafes kind of only sold drinks and like bad food. And the best I could find was this pizzeria called Couscous. Everyone and their mom in the whole town was there. It was like 3 kids' birthdays happening at the same time. It was like everyone was there. And it was okay for pizzas, but they had all the Macedonian specialties, which I liked. Okay, this last restaurant is Bohm restaurant in Ohrid, actually, but they still have the same kind of restaurants in Bitola. I just wanted to give you a flavor of the Macedonian cuisine and dining experience. This whole thing was $16 and extremely delicious and so much food. I love it. Okay, I think I'm full now. So subscribe for my next North Macedonian adventures. Thank you.